So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys these color changing gel polishes. Welcome back, guys. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, hey, sometimes I do reviews, sometimes I do manis, sometimes I just try things and unbox things. So today I'm unboxing Model 1's gel polishes. They sent me these to review and try out, and I must say they are really fun. So these are thermal color changing polishes. They go from cold to warm. They change colors. You can see both colors on the bottle here. So it gives you a preview of the colors that are coming in this kit. The first color is a gorgeous red. So the red is the cold color, and then the warm color is like a white translucent color. It has a gorgeous glitter in it. I believe it's like a silver glitter. It's really cute, and this is actually the one I'm going to be wearing later on today. And I absolutely love the way it looks warm, but with like frosted tips. It's really cool. So I'm going to show you guys every single color and then show it putting it in cold water so it goes from hot to cold. Are you guys familiar with Rebel Nails color Whirlpool? This is basically the gel version of it. This is a little more periwinkle blue than it is like the blue that Whirlpool is, but nonetheless it is so stunning. So it has more of a shimmer instead of a glitter to it. I just love the way it looks, and when it is warm it turns this like kind of white, kind of blue tinted color. And I'm showing you guys again, it mixed in the water. This is cold water. Actually, it's not even cold water, it's room temperature. So it goes to show you that this color change can happen at a normal temperature. So this third color is actually like my least favorite out of all of them. It is like an oil slick gold black color. I think it would be great for New Year's, but it's just not my favorite. So here is the cold color. As you can see, it has like that green black oil slick sheen to it. The glitter in it, the glitter pieces are really cool. I love that. But the two colors are just kind of like not my cup of tea. This color is more up my alley. I love myself a good pink. So this one is similar to the red and the blue one that I showed you earlier in the video. It is just a simple glitter in it. It's not a shimmer, it's more of a glitter. And then when it changes to warm, it goes from this darker pink to like a lighter pink, almost wannabe white. I would say it's kind of like Rebel Nails Chameleon. I think it's called Chameleon. Anyways, it is really cute. And here you can see it going from warm to cold and how quickly the color change happens. You know, 2020 has really changed me a little bit on the purple front, but this color is not pulling me towards purple. You guys know how I feel about purples, and like the darker, more royal purples are just not my friend. So this color is chunkier than all of the ones I've used so far. It has chunkier pieces of glitter, which is great, but I'm not in love with this color. I don't know if this is like a corally red orange, but I just don't like the two colors that it changes to and from. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm sorry to be a negative Nancy, but you guys know where I stand on the purple front. This color just does not do it for me. But don't worry, I don't hate all purples. I actually really like this color. So this is the only solid out of all the gels that they sent me, and it's not necessarily a dark purple, obviously you can tell. It has like, I want to say like pink undertones to it. I just really like this. It's not your dark purple. And then when it turns warm, it changes to like this soft baby blue. And I love blue, so the two together, I'm like all about this combo. So don't worry, I don't hate all purples, just certain ones, just nope, stay away from me, 6 feet away, social distancing please. So here are all the colors cold And so far, I love 4 out of 6 of the colors. There was only 2 that I wasn't a huge fan of. And then I'm just going to show them to you transitioning to warm in a warm bowl of water. I really like 4 out of the 6. So for me, it would be worth it. But if you're like a half and half kind of person, you only like 3 of them, I'd be like, pass on this. So I actually ended up putting the red one on my fingers, and I just love how it looks because I have enough free edge so that if my hands are cold, the tips at least, those stay red, and then the rest of the nail, because it's warm, stays white. So I want to know which of these 6 colors were your favorite. Like if you had to pick one favorite, let me know in the comments below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.